Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood app, secure access step by step clearly. Open your Robinhood app from your device's home screen. Wait for the app to load to the main login page. Locate the login button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Carefully type in your password in the password input box. Make sure to double-check for any typos or errors in your password. If you forget your password, select the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, tap on the Login button. Wait for the app to authenticate your information. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. If you experience any issues logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. You might also want to check if there are any updates available for the app. In case of continued problems, consider reaching out to Robinhood's support team. Ensure that your device's software is up to date for optimal performance. After successfully logging in, remember to log out when finished for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.